MatataStudio Coding Set Pro, a hands-on coding robot set for kids aged 5 and up.
It consists of a command tower with camera of image recognition, a control board, and a responsive robotic car, MatataBot. The coding blocks are the core of this programmable robot set. An icon is a command. It doesn't need any reading skills, and it's so easy for kids to start playing with. After setting up the playground, let's start to play. Motion blocks. Kids combine the coding blocks to build any command right on the board. When they hit the big button, the control tower will get the instructions and move the robot on the map. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's easy and fun to do debugging jobs. Number blocks. Add a parameter for motion block by using the numbers to simplify the sequence. Kids build up early mathematics skills. Loop and function blocks. Try advanced coding blocks of loops and functions to level up your coding adventure. Discover the patterns and use loop blocks. The command will repeat the given number of times. Packing a sequence after the defined function block and call it with the calling function block when needed. Kids will find their long sequences become shorter and more efficient. Fun blocks. Add the purple blocks to make the robot sing and dance. Try to put different numbers underneath and see which funny action it will take. Melody and music blocks. Take advantage of our music and melody blocks to experience the fun of creating music. There are preset 10 pieces of melodies. Shuffle through the Do to T scale to select and arrange the music notes. The robot will sing it for you. Put different numbers underneath will change the beats of the music. Angle block. Put a marker at the center of MatataBot. By moving with different angles, kids can control a robot to draw different creative shapes. Their skills of dimensional orientation, shape cognition, and even early geometry also improved. Supporting 3 challenge booklets, kids can continue their coding adventure step by step, from easy to advanced. What's more, the MatataBot and the tower are both compatible with LEGO. Kids are allowed to change their favorite LEGO minifig or build on their favorite LEGO scene on the top. The robot set is versatile to play with different fun ways: magic clay, paper craft, and 3D printing. Kids will create their own dream world and tell their own stories. This is a perfect platform for kids to understand different subjects through hands-on coding plays. Kids develop the 21st century skills like critical thinking and problem solving, logical thinking, and become more and more creative.